Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 04 August 2018, 02 of hour, 02 of minute and 27 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what are the breath sounds? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what are the breath sounds. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what are the breath sounds. Breath sounds come from the lungs when you breathe in and out. These sounds can be heard using a stethoscope or simply when breathing. Breath sounds can be normal or abnormal. Abnormal breath sounds can indicate a lung problem, such as obstruction. Last update February 27, 2018. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.